These are time words: hours, minutes, seconds. Listen and repeat. An hour, hour. A minute, minute. A second, second. 60 seconds is 1 minute. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 24 hours is 1 day. 30 days is 1 month. 12 months is 1 year. Listen and repeat. Day, day. Night, night. Examples: Marie drinks coffee every day. Marie works at night. Past, past. Present, present. Future, future. Yesterday, past. Today, present. Tomorrow, future. Listen to the sentences. Marie was a student in the past. Marie is a nurse at present. Marie will be a doctor in the future. Clock, clock. Watch, watch. Time, time. The clock stopped yesterday. The digital watch is a present for Marie. The time is 2 p.m. Test. Let's see what you remember. Yesterday is past. Day or night? Day. 60 seconds is 1 minute. This is a clock. Marie drinks coffee every day. Good job. Write your result. How many correct? See you in the next video.